everyone. As you know, the world is largely affected with the severe pandemic coronavirus, and most of the people of our country is locked in home. That's why for certain relief or divert your mind from the situation, you can watch movie or binge to a TV series. So, hoping best for all of us, we Shorts Entertainment giving you quick recommendation of some new Indian wave series which you can watch in this quarantine week. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. Number 5. The Forgotten Army. For those who have always wanted to learn Azad Hind Force's story and their true fate, then here is a visual surprise for you. The narrative opens with the scenes of the Second World War in Singapore in 1942, with Indian troops battling against the Japanese under the British Imperial Army, and continues until 1946 with a modern tale similar to the earlier situation with an aged INA colonel. With believable fights and army bases wandering across Malaysia's mountains, Thailand, and then Burma. The Indian National Army's tale is mixed with romantic love tales and rib-tickling laughter and the overall subtlety of the valiant soldier's circumstance. The collection of 5 episodes leaves you seeking more because too many concerns linger unanswered in the viewer's head. Don't miss this one.
कार्ड से संबंधित किया जा रहा है। सर बताना चाहूंगी कि आपके खाते को 50,000 की लॉटरी लगी है।
सर आपका एटीएम कार्ड एक्सपायरी होने वाला है सर।
Number 4. Chamtara. Set in the village of Chamtara, it tells stories of young people, mostly juveniles, engaged in an elaborate scam, asking people for their credit card details and transferring money from their accounts. This is based on true events. The village name too remains unchanged. With good acting and real scenarios, new and gripping storyline, and perfect depiction of teenage mindset, money, social issues, and power rage, it will engage you till the last. Performances were good, but Amit Sial steals the show. It has some flaws, but you can give a shot because it has many positive aspects to keep viewer eager for second season.
एक वक्त था जब मुझे लगता था कि मैं इस दुनिया में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण इंसान हूँ।
Number 3. Afsos. If you are looking out of the norm and you are a fan of dark comedies like Andhadhun, then this is it. Especially Gulshan's brilliant performances accompanied by Hiba Shah. Great background score tailored to the screenplay. Writing is bang on, layering their characters and giving the show strength is very fresh perspective. The dialogues are the height of both reality and suspense. The humor comes with irony and is in a strong and organic way. It's a great show to watch from Amazon Prime and will keep you focused until the finish.
What have you done, Nakul?
पार्लियामेंट हाउस पे अटैक दिल्ली में घुस के 5 आतंकवादियों को
सर वहाँ 5 नहीं 6 आतंकवादी थे।
Number 2. Special Ops. The plot circles around the study of terror activity trends, and behind all this a mass strategist. It does not rely on actual case as it seems from the video, but is regarding an officer's aggressiveness on his investigation, which is dismissed by others considering a theory. From the outset, it will hold you stuck, and I did not take a break. With Neeraj Pandey's excellent direction, the production values are top-notch and the cinematography is great. All the foreign locations are well documented and all characters put their best performance. The efficiency of KK Menon as an officer on the Raw is as normal quite nice. His appearance on the computer is such that one is not only straying away for a minute. Number 1. Asur. The story is about CBI officer Dhananjay Rajput, who has been accused of his wife's murder, and his former colleague Nikhil Nair is the only one with willingness and expertise to solve the mystery. Actor Oni Sen, in classic True Detective form, ties this murder case to a genius gone wild psychopathic murder story. The simple yet cool charisma of Barun Zopti and his assuring personality takes over from here. Arshad Warsi never crosses the threshold of dramatics with his experience and brings in other supporting characters without making it noticeable. Asur's appearance and sound is fairly fresh to the Indian public too. While in this section, Saket Games would always be the leader, but Asur has got his performance right.
गेम बहुत लंबा जाएगा लोना, बहुत लंबा.
So this was our list. Tell us what you think about the list. You can let us know in the comment section.